It's Vlog's Learning Lab.
Hello. This video will put your shape spotting skills to the test. Are you ready to become a shape champion? Let's go. Which shape is a square? Which shape is a star? Which shape is a cross? Which shape is a rhombus? Which shape is a hexagon? Which shape is a circle? Which shape is a diamond? Which shape is a rectangle? Which shape is a heptagon? Which shape is a triangle? Which shape is an oval? Which shape is a prism? Which shape is a pentagon? Which shape is an octagon? Which shape is a semicircle? Which shape is a kite? Which shape is a parallelogram? Which shape is a crescent? Which shape is a heart? Which shape is an arrow? Which shape is a nonagon? Which shape is a decagon? Which 3D shape is a cube? Which 3D shape is a sphere? Which 3D shape is a cone? Which 3D shape is a cuboid? Which 3D shape is a pyramid? Which 3D shape is a cylinder? Which 3D shape is a hemisphere? Which shape is a trapezium? Well done! You are a shape experts. Want to learn even more? Please subscribe to this channel for more fun learning videos and quizzes. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. See you next time. Thanks for watching.